A simple choice, nothing more. Knit or pearl, either or. Mohair hats, cabled socks, seamless sweaters, fair isle vest. Or plan my future on a style I love. What kind of project am I dreaming of? I say, gimme, 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 gimme that mystery shawl. I want it. Gimme, gimme that mystery shawl. I need it. Knitting throughout 4 weeks of clues. Gimme a quartet of blues. Gimme, gimme that mystery shawl. Gimme, gimme that mystery shawl. I crave it. Gimme, gimme